Welcome back to Vibing with Reese. Today on Vibing with Reese, we are making jerk chicken tacos. Let's get into it. So we got the chicken. I'm using chicken breast. I have about 4 pieces. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put them on the grill. I was gonna do a pot, but I'm gonna put them on the grill. So here's my chicken. Here's my seasonings that I'm using. Ooh, I got some salt right here, some Worcestershire, more jerk seasoning. Walker's Woods is the best. Got this. I'm gonna throw a little lemon pepper. Got that, some Italian seasoning. You know I gotta have my dash. Got Mr. Creole right here, some black pepper, some seasoning salt. I don't think I'm using every single thing. Some onion, some of this, some garlic, and some soy sauce. Let's get the seasoning. Okay guys, so right now I am patting the chicken dry, and I'm just gonna use all the seasoning that I showed you guys, and I'm just gonna season up the chicken. Okay, so I finished seasoning up the chicken. Now I'm taking my indoor grill and I plugged it in, I heated it up, and I'm spraying Pam on it so the chicken won't stick to the grill. You can use butter. I use Pam spray, and I'm checking to make sure the grill is hot, and I'm throwing the chicken on the grill. Take this off the grill right now. I had the temperature at a high heat, then I put it down to a medium heat, and then I just left it at a low heat so it could just cook some more. So it's been cooking for like 10 minutes now, and now it's time to take it off. So let's go. Now, you don't have to put this on the grill. I just put this on the grill because I actually don't really use this grill like that. So I decided to just throw it on the grill today. So this is how everything looks right now. I'm gonna move this, and then I'm just gonna cut up. Okay, so I am cutting up the chicken right now, as you guys can see. You could cut it up into whatever size you want. I started off cutting it into try to do small long pieces, and then I think I chopped up a little fruit. My cutting skills, I be going for one thing and then I be doing another when it comes to cutting stuff. So cut it however you want. But you guys, the chicken was smelling so good. You can smell the jerk seasoning. You could just smell the seasoning all together, and it was just making me extra hungry. time to dress the taco. So I cut up the jerk chicken into little pieces, or whatever size you want, but this is the size that I did. I have sour cream because I love sour cream on my tacos. I just like sour cream, period. I have cheese, I have tomatoes, and I have lettuce. Of course, can't forget my avocado. I threw salt and lime on it. And then the mango sauce that I made in a different video, the previous video, I'm gonna use that. And then I have my tortillas. Okay, so let's get this party started because I'm really hungry. So we have the taco holder. I have my taco, my tortillas that I had on the grill warming up. So we got 2 of that. Right. So I don't know what I'm gonna start with first. I think I'm gonna put my lettuce. Throw some lettuce. I gotta even it out. Right. I'm gonna go ahead with my tomatoes. Tomatoes. Little tomatoes. And then I'm gonna throw some cheese on it. And then I'm gonna take my chicken. Try to give it a nice even amount. The chicken is warm, so it's gonna melt the cheese. Oh. Try to. Okay, that was too much. I'm gonna come through with my avocado. And I thought I cut properly, but I didn't. I'm gonna put a slice of avocado. Take that out. Then I'm gonna come with my mango sauce. And I'm gonna just sprinkle that onto here. See the juice from the mango sauce, from my mango salsa. Ooh, oopsie. Dropping my mangoes. Try to throw some on there for some color. And then I'm gonna just, oopsie. And boom, there you guys have it. This is a jerk chicken taco. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. No, but seriously, this looks super good.